Shannon Layton with Adrenaline Powerboats. I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of our brand new 47 Reaper. Here we are, guys, sitting in the brand new Adrenaline Powerboats 47 Reaper, and this back end is just packed full of features. And I just wanted to show you guys a couple of my favorites. One of my favorites is how our dive doors open. We have dual dive doors on each side of the boat. They swing open and they pass the back seat right at the perfect depth and tuck right into the side of the boat. You don't have a big clunky door in your way. It tucks in perfectly, and you're able to access the boat from both sides very easily. When you get in a boat, you tend to scramble, like, where can I put my shoes? And so we designed this cool little visual carbon plate to where your shoes tuck perfectly into the side of the dive door. So when you get in the boat, you can close your door, tuck your shoes in, and you're ready to go boating. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the features that are in the back of the boat and are kind of our thought process when we were designing the back of this boat. One of the coolest features, in my opinion, back here is how the dive door flips up and gives you access all the way around the back seat. So if you wanted to access your motors, you could very easily do that. And it really opens the back of the boat up. That was something that we were really concerned about when we were designing this boat. We wanted to make it very accessible. And this back seat lifts up into your rigging department for your motors, our Mercury 450 Racing. Our back seat is packed full of storage. And right under here, you can throw your bag, shoes, whatever you want in there. And then we also have fender storage in the back of the seats that flips up with our billet hinge that we machined and designed in-house. It's beautiful, it is practical, it's perfect. Another really awesome feature in the back of this boat is our cooler that is integrated into the back seat. You can pack it full of ice, and your chiller plate will keep all your drinks cold throughout the day. Also, all of our billet handlebars that are integrated into the back of the seat, we machine all these in-house on our Haas machine. Our Adrenaline Powerboats logo is also integrated into the back of the seat with our carbon plating and our cup holder, so you have plenty of places to put your drinks. When you're out on the water with your friends and the trash seems to accumulate, it's really important to have somewhere to put all that. So we designed a trash can door that tucks right into the side gunnel of the boat, sits flush with the surface of the boat, and it's very convenient. These are our running boards that are integrated into the side pockets of the deck. It's a great surface to stand on, to throw your ropes off the boat, and to also tie your fenders up. So here we are at the front of the boat. This is, in my opinion, the most important part of the boat, because this is where the ladies hang out. We thought that the seating up here was uber important. We wanted to be able to provide comfortable seating where you didn't feel like you were sitting too high and you weren't sitting too low. One of my favorite features up here is our center table that comes up and down. It can turn into a bed, it can sit flush with the floor, it can be a table that you can eat off of. There's a lot of amazing features up here. So we hit our switch under the side gunnel wall. You can have it down on the floor for open access. It can rise up to the center where your seating is, where you can reach your legs across, and then it can go even higher so you can eat, drink, and entertain up front. So here we have our 22-inch Garmin screen integrated into our upholstery pad, so it's not sticking too far out. It sits flush into the upholstery pad. It's super convenient because you're able to see your vessel view, your videos, and all types of stuff up here if you're hanging out. You could also lay back in our lounger and watch Netflix if you wanted to. Another really important thing is when you're sitting up here, you're wondering, hey, where am I going to put my purse? Where am I going to put my life vest? So under all these seats is storage. And then we also have our cup holders right here that are integrated into our visual carbon plates, where it makes it easy to be able to set your drink down wherever you're at. Up here in the bow of the boat is where your anchor locker is located. It has plenty of room for your anchor to winch up and down wherever you're at. Another really awesome feature in this boat is our gutter system. In the event of you taking on any water, the water is able to self-bail outside of the boat. This boat is featured and fitted with the gator step decking, where it gives you super comfortable feel when you're walking around the boat. And it's super elegant, super simple. This lounger is great. It's a great place to lay out. It has our diamond stitching in it and this foldable armrest where you can also put your drinks in it. If you're like me, this will be your favorite part of the boat, to be able to lay out and catch some rays. Up here at the helm of our boat, we have 3 18-inch Garmin screens and 1 24-inch Garmin screen. We have our billet storage hatches with our billet cup holders, our 3-spoke wheel, our thruster, our billet hardware up here where you can hold on in rough water, and our throttle mount. Up here we have our 2 helm seats equipped with our diamond stitching. You have storage right behind here where you can tuck your purses in on all 3 seats. And then we also have this where you can fold it up and down depending on whatever running situation you're in. Back here behind the front row seating, we have our billet handlebars, our visual carbon plating, and our cup holders. So it makes it super easy to be able to set your drink down and hold on. Our hardtop is all carbon, epoxy infused. It is integrated with all of our Rockford Fosgate speakers. We have overhead storage. It creates a lot of rigidity and strength in your hardtop, so you don't get any stress fractures or anything of that sort. If you like sound, this is your boat. Our hardtop has 7/8 alone with 2 12 subs mounted and built into the hardtop, which provides you with maximum entertainment underneath your hardtop. It's closed, it kind of acts like a little bit of a sub box and projects that sound out into the cockpit of your boat. This reefer is equipped with 5 Mercury Racing 450Rs.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to Powerboating YouTube channel for more amazing content.